System errors causing the INI File Parser DLL crashes in .NET INI Configuration Parser. I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before we begin the walkthrough for INI File Parser, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the INI File Parser, the INI File Parser for .NET. It manages the localized managed parsing of legacy.ini localized configuration files. It facilitates the localized retrieval of localized user localized application settings. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This issue indicates a problem within the .NET INI Configuration Parser installation. Reinstall the latest version of .NET INI Configuration Parser from the official site to restore INI File Parser DLL safely. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing INI File Parser message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Manual intervention with INI File Parser DLL is technically dangerous because it risks overriding newer, secure system libraries with older vulnerable versions that lack modern security patches. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to INI File Parser management. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure INI File Parser remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.